My name is Sibonelo Moaise, at divorced. I'm a co-founder of RateScanner.co.za. It's the problem that I'm facing every day. Going to a bank, standing in long lines. While standing there, you are looking for a loan, and you're not sure whether you qualify for that loan or not. And most of the time, you knock off late from at work, and you're looking for that loan. And you're ending up going to the mashonisa who will threaten you with the sledgehammer and everything at the end of the month, or take your fridge, which your food will rot and you'll end up having nothing. So I came up with RateScanner. RateScanner is our solution. We are a loan comparison website. It's a functioning website, ratescanner.co.za. What we do, we compare loans from different banks. We provide codes to you, people, consumers who cannot go to the bank or who's always busy at work and you're looking for that loan desperately. We provide loan codes to you so that you can choose and have that power to know the interest rate and actually go with the loan that you're satisfied with. So what we're doing, how it works, you just log into our website, just fill in your details and documents and everything, and then we act as agents on behalf of you. We contact those lenders and we tell them there's your story. We look into your details, whether you qualify for that loan, even before we can submit every information. We are a registered institution from NCR, and both we have the credit check system in our website, which we use to check your credit system before going to banks and approach them with such information. What we're looking for right now, we're looking for expansion of the business, of course, because right now we're focusing on the loan comparison, but we still want to go into insurance and do other things like travel scanner. Just right now, you'll be looking for taxis and there are no taxis. So if you're using RateScanner, you'll be able to go and compare the Ubers, the Bomakeza from North and everything. So what we're looking for right now in this business is someone who would have the connection in other big guys, like big banks, like your Absas, your Standard Bank, because those are the people that we are actually looking for. Those are the people who really know their story when it comes to banks. And also the other thing that we need help from is we need help on the lender side, because most of the lenders are skeptic about such things. They think that we are a competition. We're trying to steal their interest rate, how they charge. So we're really looking into expanding our business model and getting more information about this lending space. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sibonelo Moaise, and for the record, don't be misunderstood. This is big business. Thank you.